Here are some fun facts about WordPress. WordPress was released on May 27, 2003, by co-founders Matt Mullenweg and Mike Little. WordPress is open-source software, which means that anyone can use, modify, and redistribute it for free. WordPress powers over 40% of all websites on the internet. WordPress is available in over 200 languages, making it the most widely used content management system worldwide. The name WordPress was suggested by Christine Selleck Tr. Emilet, a friend of Matt Mullenweg, as a play on words combining web and press. The WordPress logo features the W in a circle, which represents a speech bubble, symbolizing communication. Automatic, the company behind WordPress.com and several other products, was founded by Matt Mullenweg in 2005. The WordPress community includes thousands of developers, designers, and enthusiasts who contribute to the development of the platform through themes, plugins, and core contributions. WordPress is used by some of the world's largest brands and organizations, including the New York Times, BBC, Sony, and Microsoft. The WordPress software is free to use, but the company makes money by offering paid services such as hosting, premium themes, and plugins.